Just a few weeks ago, TikTok was flooded with ordinary videos. Now, Sora 2 has flipped the game completely. Funny, ultra-realistic clips made with this AI are going viral everywhere. People are not only racking up millions of views, they're getting monetized and even accepted into TikTok's reward program in as little as 5 days. That is the insane power of Sora 2 right now. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you, step by step, how you can create these same types of viral short videos. We will start from writing the perfect prompts using ChatGPT. Then, I will take you into Sora 2 itself to generate videos that are ready to dominate TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. If you have ever dreamed of exploding your views and income through viral videos, this is the moment you cannot afford to miss. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss my tutorials. And make sure you join my Telegram channel for exclusive tips, prompt guides, and free resources. Let's dive in and unleash the full power of Sora 2. The very first step in this process is coming up with ideas for your niche and then transforming those raw ideas into a workable prompt or script. You can generate these ideas in a variety of ways. Sometimes the idea might come directly from your own imagination, and other times you may find it much easier to simply ask ChatGPT for fresh suggestions that are tailored to your niche. Another powerful method is to head over to TikTok and carefully observe what is trending at the moment. Pay close attention to the type of content that is performing well and capturing massive engagement. Once you identify those videos that are doing particularly well, the next move is to take inspiration from them and replicate the concept in your own unique way. For example, let us say I come across a TikTok video of a man riding on a big fat pig in a hospital hallway that is gaining a lot of traction. Rather than just scrolling past it, I study it closely and decide I want to create something similar. At this point, I would take what I have seen, describe it clearly to ChatGPT, and then ask it to generate a text-to-video prompt that will help me achieve the same kind of idea. This simple but strategic approach allows you to ride the wave of existing trends while still putting your own creative spin on the content. The way I would phrase it is something like this. Generate a text-to-video prompt of a man wielding a hammer while riding on a big fat pig inside a hospital hallway. The nurses around him are screaming in panic and scrambling to get out of the way, causing total chaos in the scene. With a description like this, the AI understands that I do not just want a man and a pig, but I want the full atmosphere of disorder, noise, and shock that makes the video instantly more engaging and memorable. To make sure I never run out of creative ideas, I would also use ChatGPT as a constant source of inspiration. All I have to do is instruct ChatGPT to give me more similar concepts, and I can choose whether I want 5 fresh ideas, 10 ideas, or even more depending on how much content I plan to create. This simple habit ensures that I always have a list of ready-to-use prompts at my fingertips. With this strategy, I'm not just relying on one idea at a time, but building a steady bank of concepts that can keep my content consistent and engaging. Once ChatGPT delivers those extra ideas, I can take each one and shape it into a clear text-to-video prompt. That way, I'm never stuck wondering what to make next. Instead, I have multiple directions to go in, each with the potential to become a viral short video. After collecting and refining these prompts, the natural next step is to dive straight into the video creation process. This is where the fun truly begins, as we bring each wild, funny, or dramatic idea to life using Sora 2. The next step is to head over to Sora.com and sign up for a free account. Now, there is something important you need to know. At the moment, Sora 2 is only available to users in the United States and Canada. If you are outside of these regions, I highly recommend using a reliable VPN service such as NordVPN. Simply connect your VPN to a US server and you will be able to access Sora 2 without any issues. I have left my NordVPN link in the description for you to use. If you do not already have an invite code, do not worry. I have also made a separate video that walks you through several methods you can use to get one. You will find the link to that video in the description as well. Once you have access, log in to the Sora 2 platform and take a moment to browse around. You can see the type of videos other creators are producing, and this will give you inspiration for what is possible with the tool. Now, to create your own video, paste your prompt into the prompt field. After that, select your aspect ratio. For TikTok and other vertical platforms, the best option is 9:16. Next, choose your video duration. With Sora 2, you currently have the option of generating clips that are either 10 seconds or 15 seconds long. Once you have made your selections, click the Create button. Your video will be added to the queue, and within a few seconds it will be ready. To find it, simply click on the button located on the left side of your screen to access your drafts. From there, you can preview your freshly generated video.
Mark down!
Hold steady, girl! Yeah!
Somebody stop him!
Boom! Oh my God!
Watch out!
Big! Out of the way!
Mark down!
Hold steady, girl! Yeah!
Somebody stop him!
Boom! Oh my God!
Watch out!
Big! Out of the way!
Mark down!
Hold steady, girl! Yeah!
Somebody stop him!
Now, sometimes the video may not turn out exactly how you envisioned it. That is perfectly normal when working with AI tools. In such cases, all you need to do is copy your prompt, paste it back in, and regenerate. You can also tweak the wording of your prompt to refine the results until you get the exact outcome you want. Now let's try another prompt. I will head back to the list of prompts that ChatGPT generated earlier and simply copy one of them. Once I have it, I will paste it directly into the Sora prompt field. This time, I will leave all the other settings exactly the same, since the aspect ratio and duration we already selected work perfectly for TikTok videos. With everything in place, I just click the Generate button and let the system do its magic. After a few seconds, the video is processed and ready to view. I can now open it from the Drafts section and preview the results. This is the exciting part, because every new prompt can produce something completely different and often surprising, which makes the entire process fun and full of possibilities. Now, if you noticed, you will see that the Sora watermark is plastered across the video. Do not worry about that, because I have already created a dedicated video that shows you exactly how to remove these watermarks quickly and easily. And the best part is that it is completely free. You can find the suggested video linked for you, so make sure you check that out right after this. Remember, the secret to growing your TikTok account is consistency. You need to keep creating videos regularly, posting them, and then carefully studying which ones perform the best. Once you discover a video that takes off, the smart move is to replicate that style and idea so you can ride the momentum and capture even more attention. This is the formula that successful creators are using right now, and it is already making people real money through the TikTok reward program and monetization features. So do not get left behind while others are cashing in. Jump on the trend today, start creating your own videos with Sora, and take your content to the next level. And that wraps it up for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.